And here we go for the Postman. This is going to be 2014 Panini Prizm Baseball. Postman, good luck, and let's get to breaking. It is indeed powder time, Postman. These cards are usually full of powdery substance that Panini put on them. And here we go. Never smelled those things, Postman, so I couldn't give you an opinion on that. As we get the Masahiro Tanaka rookie, R.A. Dickey Prizm. LSD telling me I need to put on a hazmat suit before opening these. That's not out of the question there. So we've got the Erie Adrian's red Prizm, 21 of 25 for the San Francisco Giants rookie card. Diamond Dominance, Evan Longoria. Hisashi Iwakuma Fearless, and we're going to have a nice Xander Bogaerts Prizm autograph, and that's one of his good autographs. A cool card right there for the Boston Red Sox rookie. Nice one indeed. Dustin Pedroia on the USA card. Good solid hit there indeed, Terry. The Jorge De La Rosa purple Prizm. 71 of 99. Also the Zach McAllister autograph for the Cleveland Indians. Chasing the Hall, Adrian Beltre on the Prizm. Kevin Pillar Prizm rookie. David Holmberg on the purple. 39 of 99. Ken Griffey Jr. on the Diamond Dominance insert. 2 packs left here to go for the Postman. Alan Trammell on the Prizm. And final card. Top of the order, David DeJesus. So that'll wrap it up there for the Postman. Postman, appreciate you breaking live with us here on Breakers TV.